Francisco Javier Frank Duarte is a Chilean-born laser physicist and author, editor of several well-known books on tunable lasers and quantum optics. He introduced the generalized multiple-prism dispersion theory, has discovered various multiple-prism grating oscillator laser configurations, and introduced polymer-nanoparticle gain media. These contributions have found applications in a variety of fields, including atomic vapor laser isotope separation, laser medicine, laser microscopy, laser pulse compression, laser spectroscopy, nonlinear optics, tunable diode lasers. Duarte's research has mainly focused on physical and laser optics and has taken place at a number of institutions in academia, industry, and the defense establishment. Career: Macquarie University. At Macquarie University, Duarte studied quantum physics under John Clive Ward and semiconductor physics under Ronald Ernest Acheson. His PhD research was on laser physics and his supervisor was James A. Piper. In the area of university politics, he established and led the successful Macquarie Science Reform movement, that transformed the degree structure of the university. Macquarie's science reform was widely supported by local scientists including physicists I.E. Acheson, R.E.B. Mackinson, A. W. Pryor, and J. C. Ward. In 1980, Duarte was elected as one of the Macquarie representatives to the Australian Union of Students, from where he was expelled, and then reinstated, for running over the tables. Following completion of his PhD work, Duarte did postdoctoral research with B.J. Orr at the University of New South Wales, and then back at Macquarie University. American phase. In 1983, Duarte traveled to the United States to assume a physics professorship at the University of Alabama. In 1985 he joined the imaging research laboratories at the Eastman Kodak Company, where he remained until 2006. While at Kodak he was chairman of Lasers 87 and subsequent conferences in this series. Duarte has had a long association with the U.S. Army Missile Command and the U.S. Army Aviation and Missile Command, where he has participated in directed energy research. He was elected Fellow of the Australian Institute of Physics and Fellow of the Optical Society of America for his contributions to the development of narrow line width tunable lasers. He is the first South American to have received such distinctions. Subsequently, he received the Engineering Excellence Award from the Optical Society of America for the invention of the N-slit laser interferometer. Duarte's contributions are cited in more than 150 books. Personal: Duarte was born in Santiago, Chile, and traveled to Sydney, Australia, as a teenager. There, he lived first in Strathfield and then in the northern small town of Cowan. In the United States he resided for a brief period in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and then moved to western New York.